Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living. Thank you for joining me again for some more Wednesday wisdom. And yes, we are still continuing on with our 12-week Good Habit Challenge. This week we are on habit number 4, and I'm here with a big basket of laundry because you guessed it, habit number 4 is putting away your clean laundry. Now, this is a big challenge for some of you, especially those that have lots of kids, or any kids at all, because let's face it, kids really just generate laundry like nobody's business. But this can be really challenging when you have a big family, and just getting the laundry done can be challenging enough, much less putting it away. But I know that many of my clients struggle with this because they don't get around to putting it away, and they end up with clothes everywhere in heaps and piles everywhere. They can't find things. They can't tell what's clean and what's dirty. Their kids can't find things, and it just creates a lot of mess and stress. So I would encourage you to give some thought to the best way to accomplish this within your family. I mean, there's lots of different ways that the laundry gets tackled from one family to the next. One thing that you can do is to have one designated person who puts all the laundry away. That is what I did for many years. But your kids need to get involved eventually. So the sooner you start them off, the better. Trust me. I have 2 kids in college who are now doing their own laundry, thank heaven. And it does make things a lot easier the sooner you can get them to do that. But even if you just start with having them put their own laundry away, make sure that everything has a designated home in their room that they can easily identify so that they are able to do that. But, you know, even small children can learn to put at least a few things away, and that'll help you. Another thing that just a little tip to give you, if you are someone who hangs a lot of your clothes, don't waste your time folding all of that and then putting it on hangers. Take a bunch of empty hangers with you into the laundry room, hang them up as soon as you take them out of the dryer, and then all you have to do is put them back in your closet. So hopefully that will help to make things a little bit easier. But I do want you to challenge yourself this week to try to put all your clean laundry away within 24 hours of pulling it out of the dryer. And I promise you, it will have an overall positive effect of making your house a little bit less cluttered and just messy and stressful. So give this a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime at valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the remaining good habits that we have coming up in the next few weeks. Until then, keep it easy peasy.